What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since we've made a video, but life got in the way, work got slow, but we're back with a new video. We got a new package for the old girl here. I think it's going to be one you want to see. So, let's get right into it. We're going to open this box to show you what we got. We've been waiting on it a while. It's for the build. I say waiting on a while, I've been waiting on me to buy it because money got tight. This is the first time I'm opening this box, so you get to see it first time right along with me. I know what it should be, just haven't seen it yet. Get this open. Oh, it's in a bigger box. Let's see if we can slide it out. Box is a tight fit. Get that out. Of course, it's sneaky on the back side. You can see it's a really large box. Let's flip that over. And that should be your telltale sign of what's in the box. Yes, sir. Set this up here. Maybe she won't fall. Now, which end? That's the open end. Get in here and switch this. All right. My goodness, guys. That's beautiful. Let me bring you in for a closer look. Camera skills aren't very good today. Been waiting on that for a minute. It's one of the last pieces to the puzzle for the Vette. I don't know if I can get it out here and get you a better shot. My camera skills is off. Yeah, there we go. The box is gonna fall. Relatively light. There's the bolts. Let's get those out so we don't drop them. The hardware. Lay those there. Wow, she's beautiful, guys. Let's just take it out of the package. Man, oh man. Would you look at that? Let's not drop it after we take it out of the box. The fast 92mm intake manifold. I know you've seen this before, but this is awesome to me. So that's one of the last big pieces that we have to have. Still need to get a new fuel rail. Gonna run the LS2 fuel rails. Some 48-pound injectors. A 340 pump from Racetronics, the whole kit. Man, that's gorgeous. And I don't know that I showed you guys this, but to pair with that, my buddy hooked me up with a 90mm silver blade LS7 throttle body. I already have the adapter harness from Michigan Motorsports to adapt it to the LS1 wiring in the Vette. I've already checked and make sure everything plugs up, so that should pair nice with the fast manifold. Video short and sweet. Sorry about that, no new update other than that. The battery's been dead since, I don't know, it's probably been dead about 2 months because I haven't really driven it drove it. I can't talk. Sorry. Anyways, guys, that's going to be all for this one. Fast Manifold. That should pick up some good ponies, I hope. So hopefully in the next, I don't know, my shop is backed up. The guys just going to put it together and get it tuned. They're backed up currently. So I've got a few weeks, maybe a month or two before I actually need to get my other parts. I may order the injectors and stuff next week-ish, maybe. So we'll see how that goes. And then we have the Corvette show in June, and there's another Corvette show coming up the Vet Riders are putting on next month. So look out for some footage of that. And other than that, just stay tuned. If anything happens new with the vet, I will definitely be back. We'll see y'all in the next one.